Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Nissan Micra. This is a 2012 K13 and I'm just going to show you how you can remove this rear cluster here so you can access the bulbs and you can replace any of the bulbs in here. So I'm going to show you this side. It's the same procedure for the other side. The only difference between these two is that this side has the fog light and this side has the reverse light. So the reason I'm removing it is because I want to check the bulb for the indicator here, make sure it hasn't lost its orange color there, but all the bulbs are actually working, so I'm just taking the opportunity to make the video. So it's a fairly easy one. Just have to open the rear compartment here, and then we need to go ahead and remove these two 10mm screws. Just pull the light out. Basically has to unplug these two bits here. Just unplug from here and here. And once that is out, you can go ahead and you're gonna need to peel this off a little bit because this is gonna hold the bulb holder. You won't be able to remove the bulb holder if this is not peeled out. Now sometimes the way this sticks is so hard that when you're trying to remove it, it gets a little bit ripped. But if you do it slowly and carefully, hopefully it won't rip too much. And then we can press this tab here and this other one and take this out. Right. So cluster is out. You could replace that cluster as well if you needed to. Now this is my bulb, the bulb I'm looking at. If you press this bulb and turn it anti-clockwise, it will come out and you may be able to see how the orange paint is coming off. It's just peeling out. So this soon will become just a normal bulb. And that's what I wanted to check, because if this this orange paint goes completely out and this becomes a slightly white, then it's an MOT failure. So that's why I'm just checking the bulb here. And you could also check your other bulbs, make sure that sometimes they start going a little bit black, and if they do, then you can go ahead and replace them before they blow. This particular bulb has two filaments in it. If you look at it, it's got the brake light, the brake filament in there, and also the side light filament. You can check the pins. There's two little pins on the sides. They are straight, but they are a little bit offset when you look at it this way. My camera is, so there we are. This bulb can only fit one way as well, so it won't let you fit it the wrong way around. It has to be the correct way. So the pin that's sitting the lowest has to go in the specific hole, and then you can fit that in there. The fog light bulb here, same. Press it anti-clockwise, take it out. Same type of arrangement. Those little pins are in the same sort of straight position, but if you look at this side, they're not offset like this one here. They're just straight on the same distance. So those are the little things to look out when you change the bulbs. probably does say what bulb this is, but 27A551. But I will have a look. I'll show you on Google how you can look for these bulbs and where you can buy them. You can buy them from Amazon or eBay or any other shop like that. So now I'm going to replace this one. Again, look at this one here. Those pins are offset in this case scenario. They're not straight. But this way they are in the same sort of height. So here I have, this is the new bulb that I have. Just want to make sure the pins are a little bit offset, same height. This one here is the one that I removed from the other side, which was also going a bit peeling off. On this one we may actually be able to see a little bit better. Some sort of model number there, 1056F, made in Hungary. It's a PY21W, 12 volts. So, as I mentioned, I'll show you how to look for this online. And again, this can only fit one way. You can't really fit it. It's, you know, it's foolproof. That's it. That's in there. Now we just have to plug this back into that and refit the light. So no rocket science here. Make sure it clips in. And should fit back in there. Like so. So once I put this, make sure you don't over tighten this. In fact, you can just tighten them with by hand. When you lose them, you do need a ratchet. I used a tiny little ratchet to lose them. But when you tighten them, just you could just tighten by hand. I mean, you don't want to damage them. Now I'm going to show you how you can find those bulbs online. Okay, so if you basically type Nissan Micra K13 rear bulbs on Google, you will get a number of results, including if you need a cluster, a new cluster, or if you actually need the holder, and then you'll have different bulbs here to choose from. This orange one here would be the indicator. This one here you can see it's got the two little filaments, and these here they're not the right ones. So these have the twin filaments as well. That would be the brake and side light bulb. Here you have one that is a little bit more showing you the size and whatnot, but also you can see the bulb. You can see it there. You can see the two little pins are offset, and that's the kind of thing you just wanna get. If you're looking for a standard reverse or fog light bulb, then you can see this one here would be the single filament, and what you need to do is just again match the pins. Make sure the pins, these little pins here, are in the correct place. So in some cars they're gonna be up there, in other cars they might be a little bit down here. So that's what you wanna check when you're looking for one. Like this other one here, you can see the little pins are a little bit below, and well, and this is this bulb is like £2.95 from Amazon. And if we look at something like this one here is from Halfords, so you can buy 2 of these for £3.99. If you want to be more specific on the search, you can say rear maybe indicator bulb. So you're just gonna get orange bulbs there. Clearly these are not the ones, but this would be one of those. And again, check the little pins down here. I think in this bulb the pins were at the same level, but they were a little bit offset when you look at it from the bottom. So that's the thing that you need to look for. So in this little drawing here, it's kind of showing you where the other pin is. So it's not in line with this one, it's a little bit offset, and that would be the correct bulb. Again, $3.99. So those are the things that you're basically looking for when you're searching for a bulb. It's not really that difficult, to be fair. There's millions. The information on the internet is just overwhelming. In fact, sometimes there's too much. So anyway, having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe and give me the like if you find the video helpful, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.